Let's start the RP.
Energy.
30
power.
seconds.
My people are addicted to it. A dependence made
Raid, you don't even
manifest
need to
after
move
the
forward.
Sunwell
Just sit in
was
the back.
destroyed. Welcome to the future.
Should be roughly
But
near
even you
circle.
were too
Also,
late to
please check
stop
your
it.
equipment slots.
No
I don't
one
want to have to
can
go through
stop
every
me
single
now.
person here.
Salama
You should. We have 12 seconds.
Okay, well,
Single
Dalway,
file.
Dawi, Hunter, I don't know how the hell you're going to shoot something without a bow equipped.
2, 1.
Okay, guys, everyone wake up, please. Melee, stay back. Guys, we're kiting to the back left first. Thick.
Hunter, buddy, you
Back
gonna listen?
left, back left, back.
Dawi, thank you.
Alright, good job, everyone. Keep it up.
But none can withstand
Come on,
the
Hunter,
might
for the
of
love of God.
blood hammer.
4,
Behold,
3,
Lord
2,
Sanguinar.
1.
Blood for blood.
Remember Tremors.
They're not in Discord, I'm assuming?
He is.
Oh, it doesn't speak English. Okay.
He's got it.
Great.
Capernian will
Oh, my
see to it
weapon?
that your
Okay, everyone back, everyone
4,
back.
3, 2,
The
1.
Sindori reign supreme.
Rin spread, you guys are doing awesome. Healers, you too.
Circle's as close as you need to get people.
Pet, Downey's pet.
Again.
Don't heal the pet.
Dawi, get your pen out. It's fucking complex.
Well
Don't heal
done.
the pet.
You have proven worthy to
You need
test
a regular
your
steady
skills
shot, not
against
your
a
macro.
master
4,
engineer.
Leave it dead,
Three.
leave it dead.
Okay, range, do not pull threat here. Please be awake. The fuck, dude? No,
Yeah, right after
I'm
he
like
throws
60
the dynamite,
damage.
run him. There you go.
Mary Jane on me.
As you see,
Hey,
I have
everyone,
many
be
weapons in my arsenal.
intelligent.
Just watch
Not get
AoEs,
hit by
not
the
too soon.
bow. Loot the damn item once it drops. Kill the healer staff first.
Bulwark on casters,
Healing
careful.
base.
Taunt resist on Rin.
Come on, kill the infuser.
Here, I taunted this one back. No worries, I got a shield on.
Alright, healers, loot the infuser now. Let's go.
Alright, I'm taunting it back.
Healers, equip it. Come on.
Downey's Hunter on Bull.
Okay, just face
Watch
it. Make
the
sure you're
drop
facing it
alley, watch
away.
the
It's
drop alley.
Dolly, no pet.
taunt shield off me. Taunt shield off me.
Resist.
Everyone, keep looting your weapons. Come on, everyone should already have the weapons equipped. I don't have to wait between. Alright, we should all now get to our locations for the next. Everyone should already have their weapons equipped.
Next location is going to be left side, caster's range. Left side. Get your weapon. Use them. Get those buffs rolling right now, please. Get them rolling on spread. Get them rolling on tank. Staff of disintegration on 9. Okay, guys, we have 10 seconds. Focus here. Refocus. Remember, ranged murder the melee guy in the back. Everyone be aware of where he is, where he's going.
1.
Focus the guy in the back range. Focus the guy in the back. Come on. Focus.
And I got fucking conflict. I'm stupid.
Staff buff.
Fine.
Uh-oh.
Staff buff, you don't get
Focus the
conflict.
guy in the back.
I'm coming. Desiato.
Move.
Okay, guys, he's going to
Destio
change
run,
targets.
Destio run,
Melee, be
Destio run.
careful. Melee, be careful.
Hell is careful for conflag.
Yeah, thank you.
Destio.
Whatever.
Do we have a battle res for Desiato?
Yeah, I have one.
Use it,
Oh no,
please.
Dolly, run away from us. No, don't run into the raid, please.
He's conflagged. Can we?
He ran the conflag in.
Yeah.
We can keep going. We can keep going. We're good.
Yeah, we stabilized.
I will not.
Wrong hero.
I'm staying away from him.
More perils.
Okay, guys, restabilize here. Do we have any battle reses for Tiziato?
We did. We used it. Should be out.
This is not.
Okay, it's fine. We can still 5 heal. Okay,
Buff him,
perfect.
buff him, buff him.
Sometimes one must take matters
Okay, guys,
into
on
one's
circle.
own
Ranged healers on circle right now.
Yeah, he immediately casted a fireball.
Melee, watch it.
Yep, it happens.
I got this one. Someone get next.
by the power of the
Please,
sun.
Philip.
Phoenix, Jahando, Mr. X.
Disoriented.
Okay, casters, get that debuff. I mean, get that buff on him right now, please.
And now I'm MC'd.
Okay, how many casters just died that had
It's
to
on quick.
It doesn't matter.
I'm spamming it, guys. I don't know.
It's fine. Focus. I got that interrupt. Someone get next.
Egg's gonna drop right now. Egg.
Okay, let's see. Walk. That's your Mr. X, please. On to Rin.
Look where circle is, guys. Come on.
Tank, pull it back a little bit.
Phoenix,
Careful
go.
for bird. To watch for AoE.
Burn it,
Watch for
burn it,
AoE.
burn it. It's interrupted. Good job.
Careful for Phoenix on your left side, guys.
Move him. Someone get next interrupt.
Obey me.
MC on 9.
Keep breaking these MCs, please. Thank you.
Shock barrier in 30. Make sure we're saving cooldowns for that.
Egg's about to go.
Eggs
Egg.
up.
Let's re-update our buffs and debuffs, please. Keep healing.
We're gonna get one more mind control. Stack.
Everyone mid.
How do we rebuff Ron here?
Remember, guys, we're going to spread out, not too low, not too high. And if
No late memories.
Cover lower.
There it is.
Get these.
Now spread.
this fucking asshole dodging everything.
2,
Right, dude.
Really?
Interrupt.
By the power of the
Spread around.
sun.
Resisted
MD
the Earthstruck, sorry.
I got that one. Okay,
MD
Phoenix. All right, get him MD Jahando. Or never mind, I think he has it. Maybe.
Having trouble
I got it.
staying
Gravity
nope.
lapse.
Frost traps down.
Swim down and away from people.
Careful for Phoenix.
Someone,
Watch out
if
for
there's a
Phoenix.
fireball, someone get it. Mine's on cooldown. Do not get hit by those orbs. They will reduce your fucking stamina, health.
Range, you can still be hitting him.
Careful for Phoenix. Whoever is by Phoenix. Careful. Phoenix.
Move away from Phoenix.
Frost traps down, guys.
Another Phoenix is up. I need MD.
Flame strike. Careful melee. I have hamstring on it, Rin.
Got it. Egg is about
Nice
to
rush
drop.
shot.
Oh shit.
All right, someone get next
Move,
interrupt.
move.
Egg.
Don't get hit by flame. Keep
Blow
moving.
whatever you got, guys. 7%.
Interrupts. Don't zug. Got that one. Someone get next.
GG.
Second.
Good job,
Yeah.
everyone.
Good job.
Shit.
Good
fuck
shit.
wow,
The
finally.
Nexus.
Good frost
Oh,
shock on the
yeah.
Phoenix.
Hey, I
one.
built the blasting.
I have it on my mage.
The cloak does exist.
Okay, does anyone want to buy vortexes? Any bugs in here? Good job, everyone. Let's go clear Alar and then into Solarian and Void Reaver. Frost Shock was me, by the way, so good job, me. I fucking saved the raid with that. Whatever it did, that was me. Okay,
Play your
so
weapons